skirt from Concept Z Performance right here. Be putting this on the G today. I got it in Malbec Black. Since I'm going to be wrapping the car, it doesn't really matter if it color matches. Okay, so your first step, you're going to want to go down right here to this rear bolt by the rear tire. Get a wrench, lock it on a drill bit, and then stick the drill bit, the screw, and then you're going to want to wrench that. Now that you have everything unscrewed, you're just going to want to unclip the clips, and the whole side skirt should just come off like this. It's all exposed. We're going to grab the IPL side skirt and we're going to clip it on and then continue the screen on process.
Day.
Alright guys, so we finished the side skirt install for the IPL side skirts and they came out pretty nice. Makes a huge difference in the car. Way lower, it blurs out more, it just looks more aggressive. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. I'll go on to the other side right here.